At Klahanie Service Center, you get a whole lot more than just great Chevron gasoline and diesel. First, and most important, you get friendly automotive service and repair from ASE certified technicians and master techs. An ASE certified master technician is the highest level of automotive training recognized by the National Institute for Automotive Service Excellence. That's what you get at Klahanie Service Center. How about tires? You need them once in a while, right? Well, get them at Klahanie Service Center. They can also align your tires, rotate them, or repair them. What if you need a new battery? They've got you covered. Battery failure is the #1 cause of vehicle breakdown. Don't let it happen to you. Get a new AC Delco battery from Klahanie Service Center. Oil changes, brakes, belts and hoses, check engine light, electrical, even full engine rebuilds. They can do it all. So the next time you're in the Klahanie QFC Shopping Center, drive across the parking lot and make an appointment at Klahanie Chevron Service Center. Or just call. They're happy to help.